My greetings to everyone. This is Vinod Puniteka, your English teacher. Today we are going to see a very interesting story, A Letter to God, which is written by J.L. Fuentes. Before starting this story, I would like to give you general introduction about the chapter so that it will be very clear to you. And later on I will give summary and that will make you more clearer. This story is written by Gregorio Lopez Fuentes. He was born on July 1897 at Lanzarote in Canary Islands, which falls under South America. These are Spanish names because South America is under the influence of Spanish language. This is a story about a hard-working farmer Lenko. In this lesson, we shall see three things. First, Lenko's firm faith in God. God rewards his faith through human beings, but Lenko fails to understand it. Second, it also shows the docility, utter simplicity, and innocence of the poor farmer Lenko. Third, this lesson gives message that sometimes our generosity and help is not recognized by the people. You may not get any credit and appreciation for your good and kind deeds, but never mind. We must continue to do good for the poor and needy people. And this is what we are going to learn through this chapter. Let us begin. Just I am reading out the summary which I have prepared. Let us begin. Lenko was a poor farmer. His house was situated on the top of the hill. He was a hard-working farmer. He had a wife and two sons. He was expecting good harvest this year, but plants needed little raindrops. He prayed to God, and God listened his prayer. At once he noticed dark clouds in the sky, and after some time it began to rain. He was very happy that he would get good harvest. He considered small raindrops as 5 poses and big one as 10 poses. But his happiness did not last long. Simple rain turned into heavy downpour. Large hailstones began to fall along with raindrops. The hailstones destroyed plants, trees, leaves, as well as Lenko's cornfield. Thus, his happiness turned into great sorrow. But still, he was a little optimistic. He had little hope in God. That year, he had no money and no food to feed his family. Therefore, on the next Sunday, he wrote a letter to God and asking for 100 poses to sow his field again and for survival until and unless the new crops come. After having completed his letter, on the top of the envelope, he wrote to God and dropped the letter into mailbox. When postman saw the letter, he laughed a lot and finally he took it to the postmaster, the in charge of post office. After seeing such letter, he also laughed for a while. But he became serious and decided to reply the letter by sending some money. He managed to collect 70 poses and himself donated a portion of his salary. He put money in an envelope and posted it to Lenko. As we know, Lenko had firm faith in God. So after receiving the letter, he was not surprised. After counting, when he only found 70 poses, he got angry and blamed post office employees, saying bunch of crooks might have stolen 30 poses. Thus Lenko thought that God is so good that he cannot cheat him. So he wrote another letter to God reminding him that he received only 70 poses sent by him. He requested God not to send rest of 30 poses through mail as they take away some money. So this is the story, the short summary of this story. I hope the story is clear and you have understood it well. So kindly give your suggestion, like, subscribe my channels, and your suggestions are very very important, and you may ask questions also so that I can improve my videos day by day. Thank you very much.